From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with aches and pains from a subpar mattress? Well, Tuft Needle is here to change that with their incredible mattress toppers. The Tuft Needle mattress topper is a game changer, offering a cozy cover that feels similar to their mattress, with a luxe knit cover that's breathable and keeps your sheets from bunching as you sleep. You'll appreciate the non-skid bottom that prevents it from moving around a lot on top of the mattress, giving you a sense of security and stability. The responsive foam is soft without the sink, keeping you at the surface to help you sleep cool all night long. And the open cell foam remains breathable, cushy, and supportive, so you'll feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. This topper is also remarkably comfortable, ideal for those looking to relieve pressure points on hips and shoulders, and it's compatible with most mattresses out there. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's well reviewed, which is no surprise given its numerous benefits. The premium protection feature is also a standout, with a waterproof layer that protects against spills, fluids, and accidents, making it great for new mattresses, pets, and kids. With the Tuft Needle mattress topper, you can say goodbye to restless nights and hello to a deeper, more restful sleep. And that's something to get excited about, so why not give it a try and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.